all, come back again with Learning Thai with Tuk today. And today I would like to talk or explain you about this word. That word is exhibition. Exhibition, EXHIBITION. Exhibition. In English, but in Thai we can say นิทรรศการ 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 It's quite a long word and more difficult to pronounce it in Thai, but if you practice it day by day, I think you can do it. For example, there is an exhibition of the model car, of the model or of the car in Bitech. There is an exhibition of a motor car or car in Bitech. There is an exhibition มีนิทรรศการ of the motor car ของรถยนต์in Bitech ที่ Bitech. Okay, Bitech is a place like an exhibition place in Thailand, and it's near to Bang Na and it's quite big exhibition center. So one more time together with me. Exhibition is นิทรรศการ in Thai. นิทรรศการ นิทรรศการ For example, there is an exhibition of the motor car in Bitech. There is an exhibition of the motor car in Bitech. มีนิทรรศการของรถยนต์ที่ Bitech. Okay. So in case that you have any opinion or anything that you would like to know, just let me know and leave me the comment, and thank you very much for watching and see you soon. Bye bye.